Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up another challenging question from radical mathematics. We have to evaluate the expression 1 minus x square times 8 minus 9x square if x is known as 1 over root 17 plus root 11 plus 1 over root 23 plus root 17. So let's get started by writing x first. So x will be equal to 1 over root 17 plus root 11. Second term of x 1 over root 23 plus root 17. Now I will use rationalization. So I will multiply here by the denominator's conjugate root 17 minus root 11. So in the numerator also I need to multiply with the same. For second term I will multiply here with root 23 minus root 17. So I will be multiplying in the numerator by the same. Now you can see in denominators we are having formation of difference of two squares identity a minus b. Here also if you can see it is a plus b, a minus b. So the identity is a plus b times a minus b. It is equal to a square minus b square. Let's apply. So x will become root 17 minus root 11 divided by a is root 17 here. So root 17 square minus root 11 square plus root 23 minus root 17. Denominator is root 23 square minus root 17 square. Now square root and square we can cancel in the denominator. So denominator will be 17 minus 11 and 23 minus 17. Let's write. So I will be writing root 17 minus root 11 over 17 minus 11 first term plus root 23 minus root 17 divided by 23 minus 17 x. Now square root 17 minus square root 11 over 6, 17 minus 11, root 23 minus root 17 divided by 23 minus 17, 6. Now denominator is same, so I can write 6 like this. Now simply add numerator plus root 23 minus root 17. Now I can cancel plus and minus root 17. So x will become root 23 minus root 11 divided by 6. Now I can cross multiply. So I can write 6x is equal to root 23 minus root 11. Now I will consider squaring both sides. So I will write 6x is equal to root 23 minus root 11. Let's consider squaring both sides. Power 2, power 2. Now left hand side will be 36x square. Right hand side will be a minus b whole square. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now square root and square will be over. So I can write 36x square. Right hand side 23 plus 11 minus 2 times square root 23 times 11. So left hand side will be 36x square and this will be 34 minus 2 times square root 253. Equation is divisible by 2. So let's divide by 2. So 18x square equal to 17 minus square root 253. Now I will write square root 253 to the left. Then it will become 17 minus 18x square, which will be equal to square root 253. Now I will use one manipulation step. I will write this 17 as 18 minus 1. So I will be writing 18 minus 18x square and minus 1 equal to square root 253. Now I can take 18 common from first two terms. So it will become 18 times 1 minus x square. Let me write here 1 minus x square minus 1 equal to square root 253. Now I will use squaring. So I will consider power 2 both sides. So I will be taking power 2 here also. So I can cancel this square, root and power 2. Now a minus b whole square. So let me write here a minus b whole square identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's apply it to LHS. 18 square is 324. Then 1 minus x square whole square. This is a square term. Minus 2ab. So minus 36 times 1 minus x square plus b square. So 1 square is 1 with plus sign. And right hand side it is 253. Now I will take this 1 to the right. So I can write 324 1 minus x square whole square minus 36 1 minus x square, and right hand side I will be writing 252. Now I will divide both sides by 36 because this equation is divisible by 36. So I can write this term will be 9 times 1 minus x square whole square. This will be 1 minus x square only. And right hand side if you will check it is 7. Now I can take 1 minus x square common. So in bracket I can write 9 times 1 minus x square and then minus 1. And right hand side it will be 7 only. So let us simplify. It will become 1 minus x square times 9 minus 9x square and then minus 1. Right hand side is 1. Now our answer is about to come. This is 1 minus x square and second bracket is 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 9x square. So answer will become 7. So this required expression value will be 7. And this brings the end of the video. I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.